going on, guys? Welcome back. So I started kind of late, but I'm helping my brother out, pulling this KA out. We finally gonna put this RB in. This bad boy right here is finally going in. I'm using my phone camera, so I have to stop the video and then flip the camera if I'm trying to do that. But right now we're actually pretty much pulling the old engine out now, and then we're gonna get ready to put the RB in. But let me show y'all what's going on. I'll be right back. So that's the K. Got the cherry picker hooked up. Right now we just stumbled. It was hanging up on something, so we gotta figure out what it's hanging up on. Uh-oh, there goes the coolant. Honestly, I'm not sure what it's hanging up on. Oh, I see. I don't know if y'all can see it. That motor mount right there on the transmission. I just passed it right now. So it's hanging up down here. We should be pretty good now. I think I got it clear. It was hitting on the motor mount, I believe. Oh, you know what it is? The transmission mount. Guarantee you.
¿Sabes qué, pendejos?
What?
Fucking shifter.
No mames.
No, there ain't no shifter in
Yeah, güey, se metió todo para abajo, güey. Damn.
Oh, yeah, güey.
¿Y ahora cómo chingados? ¿Para meterlo para atrás?
Bro. No, bro.
Oh, hold up. Bájalo. Slowly, bro.
No.
He has to.
Hold on.
Oh, hold up, wait. Hold up.
There ain't no biggie, bro.
It should just twist off, maybe.
The knob, no?
You think just with the knob?
Hopefully just the knob real clear. I think of that.
Mira, ya salió todo, güey.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
see, the whole thing came off. We're good.
Pinche Jose.
I just realized it right now.
How many motors?
So-
Hold on.
And we've done this how many times?
He's still hitting.
No, wait. We're sitting on the mounts. Alright. I'm pretty sure it's the motor mount still, dude. I mean, the transmission mount. Oh. These are leaking, alright. Hey, look how clear that. Vale, way.
Okay, send it.
Nah, it's the chain right here. She's scared of that thing. Alright, you ready?
Just don't.
Vale, way. Pull it up.
Ahí, güey, ya. This should be good. Oh, wait. The ceiling.
Nah, bro, we just twist this around. No biggie.
Drop it down.
No. You can't drop it that way.
Yeah, you can drop it down, but I'm gonna need somebody to hold it up.
Hold on, let me.
Hold on, that's good.
Yeah.
Come on, kid. There she goes.
That's it. She's
She's out for like 5 years. Yeah, it's been a while since this came out. A long while.
That's a good thing. It's been reliable.
And Jose, you put a
Don't worry about it, man. Shh. Keep it from leaking oil.
hold on, let's see. Yo, get on this.
Hey.
missing 2 bolts, and he got a glove in here, bro.
Missed 2 bolts where?
Right here.
Oh yeah, I can't reach those. So we just drop it down?
That's Mexican engineering for your bitches.